And a political face-off brews between the BJP and TMC over the issue of women's safety on Women's Day. Mamata has flaunted 41% women among its Lok Sabha members of parliament to drive home TMC's women representation and hit out at the centre for delaying women's quota bill. In a bid to reach out to women voters, Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is going to be leading a rally to put light on women's issues. Didi will hold the rally at around 1 this afternoon in Kolkata. Mamata's march is going to highlight the state of women's safety in BJP-ruled states like UP, for example. Prime Minister Modi, during his rally in Kolkata Brigade Ground last evening, had pointed out to the state of women and children in Bengal. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, hitting back at Prime Minister, said that women in Bengal can roam freely even after midnight, which is not the case in states like UP, where women can't really even step out of the house after 3 in the afternoon.
और आज इस ब्रिगेड ग्राउंड से पूरे बंगाल के लोगों से पूछता हूं, क्या टीएमसी सरकार बंगाल के गरीबों, यहां की महिलाओं, यहां के बच्चों की गुनहगार है कि नहीं है? गुनहगार है कि नहीं है? गुनहगार है कि नहीं है? इस चुनाव में उसे सजा मिलनी चाहिए कि नहीं मिलनी चाहिए? चोरों से सजा मिलनी चाहिए कि नहीं मिलनी चाहिए?
चले एसे बोलছে बंगाल में महिलाओं को मर्यादा नहीं देता है, রান্নার ঘরে গ্যাসের দাম বাড়িয়ে দিয়ে মহিলাদের অসম্মান করে। আরে আমার মা বোনেরা তো রাত 10টায় রাস্তায় ঘোরে, রাত 12টায় ঘোরে, দরকার হলে ভোর 4টায় ঘোরে। আপনার বিজেপির রাজ্য উত্তরপ্রদেশ, বিকেল 3টায় মেয়েরা বেরোতে পারে না, মধ্যপ্রদেশে বেরোতে পারে না, বিহারে বেরোতে পারে না, গুজরাটে বেরোতে পারে না।
My colleague Paulami Saha is getting us more details. She joins us from Kolkata. Paulami, the TMC has always taken pride in the fact that this is one party that has always given maximum representation to women, be it distribution of tickets or them finally being elected in parliament. For example, this parliament, this house has got the maximum TMC MPs really, and that is something that Mamata Banerjee is going to underscore time and again, especially today, isn't it?
Well, today, of course, Sneha, the face-off is on the issue of women's safety, it being International Women's Day. Today, Mamata Banerjee, again, yesterday as well, she led an all-women's rally against the hike in LPG cylinder prices in Siliguri. And today, again, she will march with women in order to highlight the issue of women's safety in BJP-ruled states. Remember that Modi and Mamata Banerjee have been engaging in a war of words over the issue of women's security and safety. Again, the Prime Minister highlighted that women's security continues to be a concern. As far as Bengal is concerned, the NCRB data in fact says that sexual assault, crimes against women, acid attacks, they continue to in fact be a cause of worry and concern as far as the state of Bengal is concerned. But Mamata Banerjee, not the first time that she hit out yesterday, she's hit out before as well, saying look at BJP ruled states, look at UP, Bihar, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, and then talk about women's safety in Bengal. Women are not safe in BJP ruled states. So while Mamata Banerjee will embark on a march in Kolkata at 1 p.m, the BJP's Lokit Chatterjee, one of their most prominent faces, will in fact be addressing a press conference at 3 p.m. this afternoon in Kolkata to again highlight that women allegedly are unsafe in Bengal.
All right, Paulami, thanks for getting us up to speed with that and that.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.